like the birds in the sky. I can buy anything that money can buy. Oh, I can turn a river.
He ugly. Let's zoom in on his ugliness right quick.
Zoom in on what?
Your ugliness?
See, I didn't say anything about your looks. You coming at me. So,
Well, look
I
out.
could have said something about someone else.
Hey, lit. Oh, that was actually on the show?
Huh?
Was that on the show?
Probably two dances like that. You know, I mean,
Oh, it's on Xbox, isn't it?
you gotta switch it. What are you trying to do?
Netflix? You gotta switch your eyes.
Yeah.
That right there is ugly.
Oh.
Dang, I wish I had more hip hop music.
There used to be a vinyl store in Greensboro. I don't know. What do you use? Yo, that's the dopest hip hop beat.
That was like,
Somebody.
Oh, died already.
yo, drop that beat.
Kind of game over.
Trash.
Yeah.
Straight.
Trash.
Wait, where's the other control I want to play?
Yeah, I feel like it goes fast paced though.
It don't. It's the music. You can go as slow as you want as long as you get under that
So you can be like
300
this?
seconds.
I'm not gonna cry. Parker, can you do that again?
What, the Mario?
You can slide or whatever to the left or the right.
Man, I think I might give this to my cousin.
What, the grease?
Dead. Oh, that's what I thought. Hey, yo.
Game over. Thank you, Joe.
Okay, I have a question. How do you feel about Dominique taking a dump upstairs?
I mean, hey, sometimes you gotta shit. But she blew your shit up.
Probably. Brian, how do you feel about Dominique taking a dump upstairs?
That's nasty.
Oh, you get more time with this one. This is what Bowser's dream.
She just finished taking her shit. Dun dun dun. So, how'd it feel?
It's nice to have paparazzi wherever I go.
Get away from me, Stinky. She just took her shit.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
All the cups are clean.
Hey, I think you missed a dish over there.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
got Mr. Dish Show.
I think it's very interesting. This is the first time I had syrup and and a shot glass. Very creative, Paco.
Eat a chicken, you can't kill somebody.
Say that, please say it one time. If I can't do it.
If you can't you can't eat a chicken, you can't kill anybody. Damn.
Now return to your original position.
No. Hey, that win. I'll record it.
Alright.
You want more?
We're gonna play with the same characters different place.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, go.
Guys, as you can see, I beat Paco. That's the face of a loser.
3 hours later.
Relate ready. Hey, L8.
Why you so close?
That's what I'm saying.
Like, dang.
Rugged. But no, I don't care about that shit.
Get that out of there, boy. Hey, guys. I don't know. Give me a second. Come and show you the score.
Recording is the first of all. What you trying to
So give me 1 second, guys. If y'all can just unpause it. Can you unpause it?
Just made you quit.
See?
Can you unpause it?
Put it out. He gonna talk.
Joy, Amanda, y'all here?
Cookie man in here.
Right. Say cheese.
You ain't gotta be in the camera that long.